Ever wondered why every forward-thinking business today is moving to Kubernetes? Because the way we build and scale applications has changed forever. Think of it like this. Running modern apps without Kubernetes is like trying to manage hundreds of delivery drivers with no GPS. Possible, but chaotic. Kubernetes gives that control back. It keeps every part of your system connected, organized, and running exactly where it needs to be, automatically. It scales your applications up when traffic surges, and back down when things are quiet. It restarts what fails, reroutes what's overloaded, and deploys updates with zero downtime. In short, Kubernetes keeps your business moving, even when things get unpredictable. And that's why organizations everywhere, from startups to global enterprises, are adopting it. At Impressico, we make that transition effortless. Our Kubernetes experience and expertise help you deploy faster, scale smarter, and operate with confidence. We handle the complexity behind the scenes, from setup and automation to monitoring and optimization, so your teams can focus on what really matters: innovation and growth. Because the future of business runs on agility, and Kubernetes is how you get there. Impressico, simplifying cloud orchestration, empowering innovation.